How does one differentiate snoring from sleep apnea? Does all snoring indicate sleep apnea? The short answer is not all snoring indicates sleep apnea. So the snoring is one of the indications, several indications to why one may think that person may have sleep apnea. So if you think you snore, and in addition to snoring, whether you feel tired during the day, whether you're not able to focus during the day, and things like that, and whenever you have certain medical conditions on the top of the snoring and feeling tired, that may translate into you may be at a risk of having a sleep apnea. So the answer is, the short answer is, just because you snore, you may not have sleep apnea. However, if you have other factors, then you definitely want to be tested for sleep apnea. Getting tested for sleep apnea, it's not like as difficult as it used to be. You know, in our office, we sometimes even dispense, we call it as a home monitors, and you're able to wear. And if you feel that you suspect sleep apnea because you sneeze, you snore, you can wear those devices, take it home, and you can wear them, and then you can come out with the test and whether you do have sleep apnea or not. So it not necessarily you have to keep worrying about it. So talk to your dentist or somebody who may be doing sleep apnea in your area. They may be able to administer a test as simple as a take-home test that you can take it home and wear it on you and wear the machine overnight to see whether you have sleep apnea or not.
Yeah.